Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Arabic language is amazing and easy. Let's take 17th episode now, in which we will see one more aspect of amazing word factory. And in this one, we'll take preposition attached to a verb and passive voice. We have seen that Arabic verbs are mostly made up of 3 letters, and such verbs are almost 7,000 in number. And from each of these verbs, you can make 20 derived verbs. MashaAllah, and we have seen that. And now we'll take one more aspect of adding verbs to the vocabulary in Arabic, which is by adding prepositions. And we have similar thing in English also, like get, get on, get off, get at, and so on. So in Arabic, for example, kharaja means he came out. Kharaja bi mafradi, he came out by himself. Kharaja bi, that's a preposition. Kharaja min, he came out from. Or kharaja ila, okay, kharaja ila, he came out to, that means he went to something. And kharaja ala means he came out against, that is he rebelled. And kharaja an as-sayr, that means he deviated. So you can see by adding prepositions to a verb, you can have more meanings. Now you may have an idea as to how powerful and independent Arabic is. It does not need to take words from any other language for any new object, subject, action, or phenomena. Let's take passive voice. In Arabic, passive voice is used for different purposes, and it is extremely easy to make passive voice. Just change the signs. Nasara means he helped. Nusira means he was helped. And similarly, Yansuru means he helps, and Yunsaru means he is being helped. And once you know Nusira, he was helped, you can make different forms. Nusiru, they were helped. Nusirta, you were helped. Nusirtu, I was helped, and so on. Similarly, for present tense or future, Yunsaru, he is being helped. Yunsarun, they are being helped. Tunsaru, you are being helped, and so on. So this creates another huge set of verbs with different sounds and structure that can be used in prose and poetry differently. Okay, in English, same word helped is used. For example, he was helped and he helped. You have to rearrange the sentence, but you don't have to rearrange that in Arabic. That's it. We'll see some more inshallah in future. Subscribe to our channel, youtube.com/user/understand Quran. Wassalamu alaikum.